equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 14's DQ2000 NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The screen of your HP 14's DQ2000 NS may crack or become unresponsive due to accidental drops or pressure. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further damage, affecting your device's usability and performance. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen. Begin by ensuring the device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once open, locate the screen assembly, which is typically secured by screws around the edges. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver, and gently lift the screen away from the device. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen, carefully disconnect them before removing the old screen completely. To install the new screen, connect the cables first, ensuring they are secure. Then, position the new screen in place and replace the screws, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. Once everything is secured, reattach the back cover, ensuring all clips are properly aligned. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent future screen damage, consider using a protective case and avoid placing heavy objects on top of your laptop. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.